What's going on, dudes? We are doing the shit I get from the market. Market haul. Come right back. Alright, so today I went to Food Line. I wanted to go to Aldi's. It's like 10 o'clock at night right now. Aldi's closed at 9. Aldi's is where I normally get all my fresh produce. They got the best prices, like hands down. I go to Aldi's to get all my produce for sure. Sometimes a few other things, but most of all I get all my produce there. So in efforts of me not spending out, like eating out and buying a whole bunch of stupid stuff, I was like, okay, let me just be responsible. I went to Food Line and I grabbed a few things. I need to go back to the market tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get some time earlier in the day to do it. But I didn't have the time, you know what I'm saying? So, let's check this out. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the market, what I plan on doing with it. So, as you can probably already see, these are collard greens. Very, very delicious. I'll probably make some collard wraps with some, and then with the rest, I'm just gonna make like some southern style greens, you know what I mean? I got, you know, videos of that on my channel where I make greens, of course, without any baby back, smoked turkey necks, none of that crap. So that's it for that. Got the collards. Down here in the plastic, sorry, is the celery sticks. So, the celery I'm going to use in my chickpea tuna. I'm going to use it celery and peanut butter. I'll also use it when I make my wings on Saturday, tomorrow. I'm making some cauliflower wings because the Ravens are playing the Titans tomorrow. And I hope my team wins. But I normally try to make me a nice little game day snack so I don't feel like I'm missing out on nothing. These guys, one is seasoned fries, the other is tater tots. They are delicious. They have a lot of ingredients, so to say, but they're easy to make. You throw them in the air fryer. On nights you don't feel like cooking, I'm telling you, these will be your best friends. They cost about $2 a bag. We got my portobello mushrooms. Mushroom caps. So look, I slice these and I'll fry them, like deep fry them, like batter them and fry them, and I make like wings from them, like hot wings. You could also slice them and pan fry them, and I made like my little steak situation, you know what I mean? My steak, pepper steak is what I call it. I got videos for that on my channel too. So what I'll do is slice this up, fry it, peppers, onions, and I'll make a gravy and put it over top and eat that over rice. And I'm trying to tell you, that's the move right there. I got a few frozen veggies. I love green beans. Got some cut green beans here, frozen peas, high in protein. Some more frozen green beans. These are like the extra fine style, you know. Just like that girl in school that you wanted to holler at, extra fine. Yeah, one of those. And I got some corn. I really don't eat a lot of corn at all. My wife and the kids, they like corn. Me, nah. Corn can go, to be honest with you. Okay, I guess I dropped one. I had to re-up on my beans. I got some more chickpeas, and I got some black beans. I already have some dry stuff here, but I just, like I said, on those nights where you don't feel like cooking, these canned things are better than eating out, for sure. Saving money and a lot healthier. I got my mustard and my mayo. I got the Hellmann's vegan mayo. To me, it tastes just like what I remember the non-vegan Hellmann's tasting like. So I used to use the Just mayo, but for whatever reason, you can't find them anymore, like at all. Like, I loved it. And I was buying it more than I would buy this, even though this was costing more. But Hellmann's tried to put the Just company out of business before for calling their Just Mayo Mayo, and it wasn't really mayo. So I wasn't really feeling Hellmann's for that because they were trying to squeeze out a vegan company. But hey, this is literally the only stuff that I can find. And sometimes I can't get a good avocado to go with my chickpea salad, so I always try to keep some of this in stock. Also, if my kids want to make a sandwich or something, you know. Got some mushrooms. So these, you know, baby bellas already sliced. Good for some mushrooms and onions. They're good for plenty of different things. Like, the list goes on. These are like one of my staples. You know how they say you have like staples of certain things? I would say for sure mushrooms and French fries will probably be my staples. Running low on vegan butter. I decided to go with the Country Crock because it was on sales, $2.50 versus the $4 for the Earth Balance, what I normally use. This one is olive oil based. They have like an almond oil base and a coconut oil base, so that's pretty dope with Country Crock. These are for the kids. I typically don't eat these. It's applesauce, and this one is peaches. So those are for the kids. I got some almond milk. It's the original flavor, unsweetened. This is gonna go for some mac and cheese. I'm gonna make a vegan mac and cheese over the next couple of days, and I'm gonna make a video for it and I'll post it up. I've made plenty of videos for vegan mac and cheese, but they're all like baked mac and cheese. So this one is gonna be a strictly stovetop mac and cheese, and I'm pretty sure everyone will love it. I've sold it thousands and thousands of times at all my events, and people go crazy over it, so hopefully you'll like it as well. Last but not least, some mangoes. So someone asked me on my Facebook page, like, how do you know how to pick the right mango? Mangoes are kind of like avocados. So when you first get it, if there's a lot of choice, I would say squeeze them and smell them. If you squeeze it and it's nice and soft, that mango's ripe and ready to eat. If you get it and it's hard like these, then it's not ready to eat yet, and they take a lot longer to get ripe, more than these. So typically a hard mango will probably take about a week or two for me to notice that it's ripe or not, because if you do it any earlier, it's not going to taste good. Unripe mango is like just downright awful, but when they're ripe and juicy, oh my gosh, bro, like this is probably my favorite fruit, easily. But that's all for this mini haul. I'll be doing another haul pretty soon because I need to go to Aldi's and I need to go to like Whole Foods or Roots to grab a few more things. But this is a little basic haul that can get me through a few days if I have to. But I'm trying to be a lot more responsible in 2020, make a lot better decisions. I did a lot of eating out last year, and so far this year I have declined it a lot, and I'm very proud of myself. I'm talking, I was eating out at least 2 to 3 times a day, not a week, a day. Breakfast, I was going to Dunkin' Donuts and getting hash browns, and then lunch, I would go to the food truck, and then dinner, who knows what I would do for dinner. It was just a mess. But eat grass, not ass. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for coming back and watching every day. I hope I'm really helping you out. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe, go follow me on Instagram, go like 10 pictures, and I'll shout you out in my stories.